You might be sipping your way to wrinkles, or to radiant, youthful skin, because what you drink every day has a direct effect on how fast your collagen breaks down, or builds back up. If you're over 40, collagen loss accelerates, and by age 50 your body produces about 30% less than it used to. The result? Sagging skin, wrinkles, joint pain, and brittle hair. But the good news? You can reverse a lot of that, starting with what's in your cup. Today, we're revealing 7 powerful drinks that naturally boost collagen. No injections, powders, or expensive products required. Let's dive in. Number 1. Bone broth, the collagen classic. Let's start with the most powerful one. Bone broth is made by slow-simmering animal bones and connective tissue for hours, releasing collagen, gelatin, glycine, and minerals into the broth. This makes it one of the richest natural sources of collagen. It's also packed with amino acids like proline and hydroxyproline, which are the building blocks your body needs to rebuild its own collagen. Drinking just 1 cup per day can improve skin texture, reduce joint stiffness, and support gut health, which is crucial for absorption. Pro tip: choose grass-fed or organic bone broth to avoid contaminants. Collagen can't be built without vitamin C. It's a cofactor in the process, which means it's required to make collagen fibers. So drinking lemon, orange, or grapefruit-infused water daily is an easy way to stay hydrated while giving your body the vitamin C it needs. It also supports glowing, even-toned skin and helps protect against collagen breakdown caused by UV rays and pollution. Bonus: adding slices of citrus to your water makes it feel refreshing, energizing, and indulgent without any sugar. Next up is green tea, a gentle caffeine boost with massive beauty benefits. Green tea is rich in EGCG, a powerful antioxidant that protects existing collagen from breaking down. It also promotes skin cell renewal, reduces inflammation, and may even protect against sun damage. Research shows that people who regularly drink green tea have more elastic skin and fewer visible signs of aging. Go for loose leaf or organic green tea, and avoid bottled versions loaded with sugar. Drink 1 to 2 cups a day, ideally in the morning or afternoon. Aloe isn't just for sunburns. Drinking aloe vera juice helps hydrate the skin from the inside out, and stimulates hyaluronic acid and collagen production. One study showed that women who drank aloe vera extract daily for 90 days saw improved skin elasticity and moisture. Just be careful. Choose pure aloe vera juice, not the sweetened kind. Start with a small amount, about 2 to 4 ounces, since it can have a mild laxative effect if overconsumed. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in polyphenols, vitamin C, and anthocyanins, all of which help protect collagen and stimulate new growth. A daily berry smoothie made with frozen mixed berries, a handful of spinach or kale, unsweetened almond or oat milk, and chia seeds or flax for omega-3s, gives your body the raw materials it needs for collagen production, and keeps your blood sugar stable at the same time. You can even throw in a scoop of plain Greek yogurt for protein, which helps preserve skin structure and repair tissue. Pomegranate juice isn't just delicious. It's been shown to protect existing collagen by inhibiting enzymes that break it down. It also promotes circulation, which improves nutrient delivery to your skin cells and keeps them healthy and oxygenated. Drink 4 to 6 ounces per day of 100% pomegranate juice, no added sugar. You can also dilute it with water or green tea for a lighter version. And if you're worried about sugar, whole pomegranate seeds are a great alternative. Yes, your morning coffee can actually help your skin if you make one small tweak. Add a scoop of unflavored collagen peptides to your coffee. Collagen peptides are broken down proteins that your body can absorb more easily. When added to coffee, they dissolve quickly and go straight to work. The heat of the coffee actually helps with absorption, and pairing it with a healthy fat like MCT oil or coconut milk can give your body an even bigger boost. It's a daily habit that becomes effortless, and after 2 to 4 weeks, many people report plumper, firmer skin and stronger nails. So, topical creams only treat the surface layer of your skin, but these drinks actually nourish your dermis. That's the deeper layer where collagen is really produced. That's why, honestly, results from inside-out habits tend to last longer and make a bigger difference. By combining collagen-rich and collagen-boosting drinks, you're giving your body everything it needs to repair, rebuild, and protect your skin structure from within. Let's quickly cover a few that do the opposite and honestly, destroy collagen. Sugary sodas. They spike your insulin, inflame your skin, and, well, accelerate aging. Flavored coffee creamers. They often contain trans fats and chemicals you really don't want in your body. Alcohol. It dehydrates your skin and damages those collagen-producing cells. And fruit juices with added sugar. Yes, even the so-called natural ones. Instead, try reaching for the drinks we just talked about and your skin will seriously thank you for it. Here's a simple sample day, just to make things easy. In the morning, start with coffee with collagen and maybe a glass of lemon water. By midday, you could have some green tea or a little aloe vera juice. For an afternoon snack, a berry smoothie is a great choice. And in the evening, go for bone broth or some warm pomegranate tea. You don't have to drink all 7 every single day. Just pick 2 or 3 and stick with them. The real magic, honestly, comes from daily repetition over time. Thousands of people who've added these drinks to their routine are reporting fewer wrinkles, firmer skin, better joint flexibility, healthier hair, and nails, and yeah, even better digestion and sleep. It's not hype. It's just your body finally getting the nutrients it needs to restore itself. Collagen decline is a natural part of aging, but the speed and severity, that's really up to you. You can fuel your skin, your joints, and your body with the right drinks every day, starting right now. No surgeries, no miracle creams, no overpriced pills, just real food, real drinks, real change.